Hey everyone, welcome to another Check the Tech Smart Home Savage video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Vlad, and I'm part tech savage, part hype beast. On this channel, we do all things tech, and today we're going to review the all-new Echo Show 5. So this is Amazon's new smart display / alarm clock, and it's $89.99. Okay, so I know. Amazon already has another smart display or alarm clock, and it's the Echo Spot, which I have here, but this costs $129.99. Let's unbox the new Echo Show 5 and check the tech. Just like most other Echoes, the Echo Show 5 has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and an auxiliary out if you want to pair it with better sounding speakers. The Show 5 has a 5.5-inch screen, which is much larger than the 2.5-inch screen on the Echo Spot. The Echo Show 5's speaker is larger and twice as powerful as the Spot, clocking in at 4 watts as opposed to the 2 watts on the Echo Spot. So setting up the Echo Show 5 is nice, and that's because it has a screen, so you don't have to use the Alexa app and get on the same Wi-Fi network and pair it. You can just register it right on the device with a touchscreen. It's got a thumbs keyboard that's really comfortable to use as well. So what makes smart displays great in general is the fact that they add a visual layer to your smart home experience. So they'll be able to show you recipes, they'll be able to show you album art, or visually show you facts. The user interface is similar to the Echo Spot and its bigger brother, the Echo Show. It's a simple interface where you can swipe down and quickly adjust brightness and access settings like time zone, language, and changing backgrounds and clock faces. You can also quickly access all of your smart home devices and tap to interact with them, like powering smart lights, plugs, switches, and viewing cameras. If you swipe down and then left, the Echo Show 5 has a new quick command center that has slightly more features, like letting you check on routines and groups in your home and more. That's definitely something that the Spot can't do. Personally, I like that smart displays don't have too many robust features, because then that would make them sort of like tablets, and it kind of diffuses the purpose of making it a hands-free experience. The Show 5 does have a camera, so you can video chat with the Alexa app, or you can drop it on the speaker when you aren't in the same room as it, or if you're not even home. Drop-in is by far my favorite feature of the Echo Smart displays, and that's because it can be useful in so many ways. However, that doesn't make the Echo Smart displays security cameras, especially because they don't record while they're viewing and they don't have night vision. Oh yeah, and shout out to Amazon for putting a physical slider switch on the camera. As you can see right there, I have a physical switch, and it covers the camera, along with the mute button. So most of the smart speakers and smart displays that I've seen so far have had mute buttons, but the mute buttons, what they'll do is they'll kind of just cut microphone access, but they'll also cut camera access, but they do that via software. So it's nice to see that Amazon included a physical slider switch. Both ways work fine, but there's something about having a manual slider that gives you a better visual cue and more peace of mind. I also think it's important to do it this way to get people more accustomed to having smart displays with cameras in their home. At under $100, this is a great value for what you're getting. For some reason, Amazon is still selling the Echo Spot for $129.99, and you should not get this at all. Like, don't consider it. It's nowhere near as feature-rich, and it doesn't sound as good either. And it costs more. I would still choose the Echo Show 5 over the Spot even if this was half price. RIP Echo Spot. The only downside that I could really point out is that Alexa still isn't quite as smart as Google Assistant, but it's still more than capable of controlling any smart home. Plus, Alexa has access to a huge skills library that makes Alexa still fun and easy to use. All in all, the new Show 5 gets a solid check, which means go out and get it. If you're considering getting it, go for it. If you're on the fence about it, I think it's alright. I think I would definitely take advantage of the trade-in program. If you have an old Spot or any kind of old Echo, trade it in, see how much you can get for it. and then you'll get a 25% off coupon off of an Echo that you'd like to buy, similar to this Echo Show 5. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you watched here today, please hit the like button below and share it with somebody who you think would also like this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and also feel free to drop a comment below. I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. Thanks. RIP Echo Spot.